Gala Games is preparing for a secret move towards the upside, and in this video we are going to be covering exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Gala Games once again, because I believe a massive rally is coming and right now is not the time to sell your Gala tokens. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350% and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the altcoin season index, and if we check out this tool right over here, you will be able to see that right now we are in a Bitcoin season. On the scale of Bitcoin to altcoin season, you can see that right now we are basically in the orange zone of the Bitcoin season, which basically tells us that right now we are in a heavy Bitcoin season and altcoin should be consolidating for quite some time. However guys, if we check out this chart right over here, you will be able to see something really interesting playing out. So guys, right over here, if you check out this price movement and compare it with the current price movement, you will be able to see some really cool similarities. So guys, right over here in this movement, you can see that we had a massive altcoin rally previously. However, we dumped down and we came down to almost like 12 on this chart. But after that, after seeing some consolidation for quite some time, we pumped up towards the upside and we saw an all-out altcoin season. Now this same move is repeating right now as well. If we check out this chart, you will be able to see that after getting into an altcoin season, we dumped down towards the downside just like we had before. After that, we saw a bit of an altcoin season just like right over here as well. And after that, we saw an all-out Bitcoin season. As you can see, we even reached 12 on this indicator, and right over here as well, just yesterday we reached 12 on this indicator as well. However guys, you will be able to see that after that we saw some consolidation towards the upside, and after that we finally broke up and we saw this massive altcoin season coming into play. Now this is exactly what I believe is going to be happening with the altcoins this time as well, and we are just waiting for that flip link towards the upside, which will give us all those crazy gains in the coming few days. Now if I open the charts of Gala, you will be able to see something really interesting. So guys, yesterday we saw a massive pump towards the upside. As you can see, we bumped up from this Fibonacci retracement level to at about here. We saw about a 15 to about 18% jump in the price of Gala in one single day. However, you will be able to see that we dropped down and we are practically in the middle, just in some profits right now. Now, I personally believe that right now we are in this massive Elliott wave structure, which is 5 waves towards the upside. So I personally believe this right over here at these price targets at about 0.015 was the low for Gala for the previous bear market rally. Now from this moment onwards, we pumped up impulsively in wave number 1, came down in a wave number 2, and right now we are in a wave 3 towards the upside. After that, I do expect a fall towards the downside for the wave 4 and then further continuation towards the upside, completing this massive Elliott wave structure. Now guys, I have said this previously on my channel as well, but I do believe that right now, even though we are in this massive Elliott third wave, we shouldn't be expecting a linear move towards the upside. Inside this third Elliott wave, I do expect 5 waves towards the upside, just like we are forming 5 waves in the larger time scales as well. So if we basically check out the charts from that perspective, you will be able to see that we could call this move right over here the first Elliott wave towards the upside, second towards the downside, third wave towards the upside, fourth towards the downside, and the fifth and final towards the upside. This is the most likely scenario Gala Games will be playing out in the immediate short term, so make sure you guys check that out. Now, if we check the Fibonacci retracement levels, you will be able to see that right now we are above this trend line, and we try to test some support right over here at this Fibonacci retracement level. However, as you can see, we quickly jumped up above, and right now we are in green, even though we are down by about 5% on the day. Now, if we check out the indicators right over here, you will be able to see that even though the price is falling, we are seeing RSI getting higher and higher. And this is basically a bearish movement, because actually it's a bullish movement, because even though the RSI is getting higher, we are not really seeing any sort of these moves towards the upside. Now, if I check out the MACD indicator right over here, you will be able to see that we were seeing this huge buying pressure coming in for Gala, which was, quite frankly, the biggest buying pressure since this move right over here, which gave us some massive gains. Now, if we check out the RSI MACD indicator right now, you will be able to see that at this moment we are seeing some selling pressure. However, this selling pressure is really weak as compared to the buying pressure that we were getting just like 2 to 3 days ago, or just a day ago as well. Now, I do expect that we are gonna be flipping bullish very soon after this selling pressure has been completed, because basically we like to move in cycles. If you check out right over here as well, we see some red candles, after that we see some green candles pumping in. But if we check out the majority, you will be able to see that the buying pressure is much greater than the selling pressure, which is oftentimes a really good news for the project in general. Plus, guys, Gala also is launching their version 2 of their token. There's an article whole about it. It's currently going viral. So if you haven't checked that out already, make sure you guys search for it and check it out, because it has some really cool information and some really important information for the project in general. And I truly believe this is going to be really good for the project, and we are truly bullish for Gala for the longer time frames. Now, that said, guys, if you want to make some serious money right now, because even though Gala has been pumping here and there, let me tell you that my trade signal group, which I'm sure you guys already know about, if you haven't, by the way, the link to it will be in the description. It's only $30 per month, and in that group I post my personal trade setups, which I am personally using in order to make some pretty decent amount of money in the market. My win percentage is really high, which is oftentimes something which a lot of people want as well. Just yesterday we secured profits of about 180 to about 190% on just one single trade, which is absolutely amazing and something which not a lot of people are able to do. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys sign up. The link to it will be in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe the value you will be getting is absolutely amazing. And if I were you, I would personally not consider the $30 investment into my trade signal group as an expense, but instead you should call it as an investment, because this $30 is going to be making you some serious amounts of money if you just follow along. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys follow the link in the description and join my trade signal group as soon as possible, because there are going to be limited spots only. And yeah, guys, that's going to be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video.